into the data types. Just now we have discussed. I will go little briefly. In R, a variable itself is not declared any data type. Just I had shown you. Just I had declared a X, right? Rather, it gets the data type of the R object assigned to it. Correct? Internally, everything it will treat it as what? Objects. Now you are very clear about R. I mean objects, classes. Correct?
Yes. Yeah.
So R is called a dynamically typed language, which means that we can change the data type of a same variable again and again when you are using it in the program. That is what you had shown. Fine. We can change it. R is X is equal to some value. We can change it into another value. We can change it into character value. We can change it into what? Any value. That is what dynamically we can change the value. Okay.
Yes. Okay, I understood.
Understood?
Yes.
Now, say this is very important. What are the different data types R supports? One is vectors, second one is lists, third one is matrices, fourth one is arrays, fifth one is data frames. These are the 5 different data types R supports.
Okay.
One is what? Vectors. What do you mean by vectors? It's a single dimension, correct?
Vector. I'm not familiar with vector.
Okay, you make it somewhere list. I will show you what is this vectors. Lists, matrices, arrays. Last one is what? Data frames.
Okay. Understood.
Okay, totally how many types? 5 types are there.
5 types.
Now, what is this vector? Vectors are the most basic R data objects, and there are 6 types of atomic vectors are there. You had seen that is what? They are logical, integer, double, complex, character. Last one is a raw.
Okay? Will we discuss all the types of atomic vectors?
Because these are all the basics data types where R supports. So we learn one by one. What is this vector? Vector is a single dimensional type. Okay. Having the similar data types, data values of same type. You know single dimension, multi-dimension?
No. I'm not familiar with the term in programming. That term in programming.
No. Not it is not a question of programming. It is a simple mathematics.
Okay. Yeah, I understand now.
You need a type. Okay. Don't think everything as a programming, man. Programming is very easy. Why? See, you learn in the way you are living, so that things will become easy. Don't take a programming language in some imaginary word and all. It is a part of your life. Accept it so that things will become very easy for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah. Say you are suppose what is this? It's a single dimension in this. Yeah, your table is what? Table is what? 2-dimensional, right?
Yeah.
You have n number of rows and n number of columns, correct?
Yes.
That is called it as a table is a 2-dimensional. In the sense you have n number of rows and n number of columns.
Yeah.
Okay. Vector in the sense either you have only rows or you have only columns. That is a single dimension.
Yes.
Okay. The second characteristics of vector is what? It consisting of only same type of value. It holds same type of values. whether it is a group of only integer, it is a group of only character, or it is a group of only logic, or it is a group of only a complex double. It is the same, it holds only a similar type of values in a single dimension. That is what vector means. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts you have, just ask me.
Yes, yes.
Okay. This is what.
So far understood.
Understood. The only
Yes.
thing is, understand again, I'll tell you. Vector is what? Single dimensional. Okay.
It only holds single type.
Single dimensional. In the sense, either you have a rows or you have a columns. That's it.
Yes. Yes.
Next point, next characteristics is what? What is this? Vector contains what? Only similar data types.
Yeah, similar data type.
Similar in the sense, what do you mean by similar data type? In the sense,
So it can only hold either logical, integer.
only one type,
like-
same type. They are
Yeah.
all, I cannot combine all the different types. That's it.
Yes, yes, yes. Understood, understood.
Understood? So, what are there? They are vectors of logical type, integer, double, complex, character, and all. Now, in general, a vector is defined and initialized in the following manner. Let's see. Now, what happens? VTR is what you type in your where in our this one. Otherwise, I'll come back. You see all those things you see, and then I'll come back to all these things. I'll show you in the R. How we are going to define it? VTR is what? It's a variable. For this, I am assigning here C. We are using C means it is a combiner in the R programming language. C stands for combiner, concatenator.
Okay.
It combines all the values. 2, 5, 11 is a 4 values are there. All these 4 values, I'll make it into a group. How are you going to make it a group? By using the C. That is a C. C is what? Combiner.
Combiner. Okay.
Okay. Same as I told you, you can use a equal sign or you can use a R. Both I have shown the.
What's VTR again? Sorry.
VTR
Vector?
is it's a VTR is a variable of vector type.
Okay.
Confused? I think you're confused.
For VTR, it's just an object right here.
See, don't think all those things. Be simple. VTR is a variable. That's it.
Okay, okay, and understood, understood.
Okay. Shall I show you directly in the R?
Yes, please.
Yeah, better that is. Otherwise, I think you are getting confused over here. I will show you everything in the R. Better. Learn slowly, man.
Okay.
Huh?
Yes, yes.
See, make a comment statement, create a vector in R. That's it. You make a comment statement first.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. What do you do? X is equal
To C. To C. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
C is a what? Combiner. Understand?
Yes, yes, understood.
Okay, see here in my line number 9, I have not used C, correct?
Yeah.
It is showing an error, unexpected, comma and all, right?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, understand? Now I have include what? I have added a C. Now I will run. So it will show x1 is equal to C1, 2, 3, 4, correct?
Yes, understood, understood.
Now you say type of X.
Okay.
Okay. What is this length function? I have used one function called it as a length. Length function will give what? To find number of elements
Elements. Okay.
in the vector. How many elements are there in the vector? To know that, we'll say the length. Okay.
Yes. Okay, understood, understood.
Okay, good, good. Do it slowly. Understand and do it. The first few days will go very slowly so that have some confidence in by yourself so that I can do R. Then only rest of the things we can do it faster. Now, in the beginning, I don't want to do in any hurry. Have a very good what to say confidence on yourself. Comfortable. First thing is you should be very comfortable with the language so that you will get a very good hold later.
Yes. Okay, understood, understood.
Okay, what is this? C is what? C is called it as a combiner or a concatenate. It concatenates in the sense it will make a group. Okay, see. Understand? If I remove
Yes,
the
understood.
C, if I remove the C, automatically see, I got it this unexpected tokens. If I take my star, you see here, you got it, the red color X is coming.
Yes, yes.
What is it says? Unexpected tokens of what? Comma. So
Unexpected error.
So if I
Yeah.
include C, see,
It's not.
automatically it went. Correct? Length is what? As you are already aware of the type of function. What is this? Length will says what? Length will gives the number of what to say elements. How many elements are there in my? It shows. When I run this one, what is the value we're going to get? 5 elements are there in my vector, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now look at here. This is how you have to do. Now I will define a one more vector, that is C. I will have 2, 3. How many variables are there? So 5. Clear? Just for
Yes,
you.
understood, understood.
Okay, now I will say Z3 equal to X1 plus Y2. Okay, and I will say print of what? Z3, then I'll run.
Mm.
Correct?